Hello Falava and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel. We just wanted to give you a brief introduction about what Measina does and why we're here. So Measina Treasures of Samoa provide three services. The first is that we support Samoan businesses. So we do this through our online store, where we sell products designed, written, sung, made by Samoan businesses. And so that's how we support Samoan businesses. The second thing that we do is provide educational programs. So our educational programs are all based on Samoan culture. We have Measina Playgroup, which helps the early childhood learning for Pacific and non-Pacific children. And so they are aimed at children aged between 0 and 5 years of age. We also have incursion programs which go to schools, high schools, as well as organizations. Here we again teach programs based on Samoan culture. So instead of going out and just teaching how to cook, say a cake, we would go and teach students how to make a Samoan dish such as whakapa, kokolaisa, and other Samoan dishes. We also do different programs based on different topics, but again, all based on Samoan culture. We actually aim those at non-Samoans. We do this because we believe that by teaching non-Samoans Samoan culture, it increases their awareness, it increases their respect, and it also helps us to teach our way of doing things, which is something that we don't find today in westernized educational systems. The third thing that we do is our Measina Siva Afi School. So the Siva Afi School teaches Siva Afi techniques. We have a beginners and an advanced class. Right now they are both online, so absolutely available to anybody, anywhere in the world. We believe that this is another way for us to share the treasures of Samoa with the world, especially as one of our directors, Logan Tapuala, is extremely passionate about Siva Afi, and so this is his baby, and this is how he is trying to share the treasures of Samoa, specifically here in Melbourne, Australia, but also throughout the world. Yes. So if you had any questions about what Measina does or how you can get in contact with us, leave a comment in the description, comment below. We have links to our programs in the description below, so you can look at those in detail. If you found value in this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you again, and till bye.